How to get to $250 plus per day online. If you want to make $250 a day online, then you need to watch this video till the end. Don't skip any part of this video. Do you want to make money online, but everything seems too complicated? I find so many gurus here online telling wrong stuff to peoples about making money. They just lie to you that you can make $60 an hour by reviewing sites or stuff. I'm telling you the truth. These things don't work. They can't change your life. Making $60 by reviewing sites is not easy, or if you did manage to make $60 by working whole day, then how would it change your life? Make sense? Okay, you're now aware that making money online is not what others peoples tell you. I'm revealing the actual method that makes real money. The method is called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is something selling product owned by other, and when someone buys the product through you, you get a commission. Simple. You keep hearing about how easy it is to make money online. And that affiliate marketing is the easiest and quickest way to get started. But getting sales is something impossible for you or is too much for you to handle. It means that you must need to follow a roadmap to get sales. Okay, let me show you how much you can make with this powerful system. Let's say you promote a product whose price is $100, then your commission will be $50 to $60. Let's say you get $50 a sale, which seems normal. So you need only 5 sales to make your $250. 5 sales are nothing. I've seen people's making hundreds of sales in a single day. Why don't you? You don't need to spend hours and hours to set up this. It's actually something new and easy. I'm confident you have never seen anything like this ever before. You don't need a website to do this. No skills. No experience required. Completely newbie-friendly method. Get started with low investment today. I've leave a link right below the video, go and check it out. It shows how the system actually works. This is the only method which makes you money while sleeping. Note my words.